So in the reaction follow-up table, I try to sorting jury decision column. It's not display the standing results. For example, this is a default the order of the student. Click once should display the scanning filter. Let display an empty data. Also here. Okay, when I check, there is no waiting for the jury. Okay, try again. When I click again, is it not displayed waiting of jury decision option in here? I click again, back to result, and there is the data and the jury. So we'll try to change using the English localization. At least there is a data waiting for jury in the jury decision column. When I try to click ascending filter, did it display the ascending filter? I click again, should display the scanning filter, but still display empty data. Even so, there is data waiting for jury list, but not display as the scanning. When I check in the error staging, okay, this is ascending. I click ascending and click again. It will display ascending, waiting for jury. Okay, and I click again. Is it back to default view? Okay, for different of the delivery based staging. Yeah, there is a waiting for jury decision, but when I try to ordering the scanning, is it not display waiting for jury decision? Even though there is a jury decision in there.